In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and type emojis on your Mac. The first thing you need to do is to go to our text edit document or to any text field where we can type. From here, you'll want to press the shortcut Control, Command and Spacebar, and this is going to bring up the emoji picker. However, this is a bit of an awkward shortcut and I'm going to show you a quicker way of accessing this. To do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're in the system settings, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to click on keyboard. From here, you want to find the option that says press global emoji to, and if you click on the drop down menu, you want to select show emoji and symbols. So if we exit out of our settings menu and go back to our text editor, if you click on the FN key or the global sign key, this will bring up the emoji picker and you can press it again to exit out of it. However, there is another way of typing emojis which might feel a little bit more natural, and that's called text replacement. And in this case, I've set up the bus text replacement to replace the text with a bus emoji. To do this, you want to go back to the system settings and go back into the keyboard settings, and then you want to find where it says text replacement and click on that. This is going to show a menu of all of the text replacements that currently exist. To add a new one, you want to click on the plus button, and then you want to type in the text you want to replace, and then you want to choose what you want to replace it with, so in this case the smile emoji. Once we've done this, we're going to click on add, click on done, and then we can exit out of these system settings. So when I type in smile and I press the spacebar, it's automatically going to replace it with the emoji I have chosen. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.